Shiba Inu coin whales are returning, and this is typically a good sign that buying pressure is going to increase. Selling pressure may increase as well. I don't know, we might see an increase in overall volume, but usually when we have an increase in buying pressure, we see a bottom, we see a rebound, and we see the prices begin to rise, which is exactly what people are hoping for in Shiba Inu coin. So we're going to be talking about it in this video, because as you guys can see, Shiba Inu coin whales returning. A 90% surge in inflows is a very good sign. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, whales are pouring back into Shiba Inu coin. It says that Shiba Inu coin, one of the most widely recognized coins in the cryptocurrency market, is showing signs of a potential recovery. Over the last few days, whale activity has surged, with large holders driving a remarkable 90% increase in inflows. This surge in whale participation comes as Shiba Inu coin battles against short-term resistance levels, giving traders hope that the digital asset may be on the verge of breaking its long-standing consolidation phase and regaining its upward momentum. Now, I will say this. The overall market has been hit pretty hard today. Bitcoin back down to 94,000. You can see it at the top of the screen, 94,200 right now. That's a pretty tough decline. Let's pull this back up. It's 94.7 at the moment. And Bitcoin is trying to maintain this level. Guys, Bitcoin has come down since November. After breaking through on November 19th, Bitcoin has tested this $90,000 level several times since then, over a handful of times, getting a pretty tight range between about $105,000 and $90,000 Bitcoin, and right now we are testing that lower end. Obviously, if the lower end holds up, we could see a very nice rebound back up above 100,000, and we could inspire buying once again. There's been a very tight range over the last couple of weeks, however, between 97,000 and this 93, 94,000 level. So we got to keep our eyes on it because, of course, if Bitcoin breaks down, I would imagine that Shiba Inu coin will break down as well. Shiba Inu coin during the same time frame has been testing this 15,000 or 1,500 point per coin level, and of course it does seem to be falling down through today. If you zoom in, you can see that Shiba Inu coin now this might end up being a wick, but Shiba Inu coin may end up breaking this candle body support level that we have seen at 1,500 points per coin. So it's very important to see where Shiba Inu coin ends the day. Currently at 1,440, 1,500 points per coin would be a very strong level of support that needs to be maintained. Nonetheless, we do have whales buying. It says SHIB is facing key resistance at various levels that have kept it price-bound for weeks. The period of consolidation has created a descending trend line, suggesting that the coin's price could either break out of the upside or the downside. The level of which Shiba Inu coin is stalled is about 1,660 on the upside, and of course 1,500, which is broken today on the downside. It says, what is particularly noteworthy for SHIB is the resurgence of whale activity. The 90% increase in inflows, mostly driven by large holders, provides a bullish indication that significant investors are positioning themselves for potential price rise. Whales typically accumulate tokens ahead of price increases, which means the uptick in their activity could signal that the market is gearing up for a major move. The trend of larger investors entering the Shiba Inu coin market suggests the price could break through the established resistance and push higher in the coming weeks. Guys, they are dip buying right now. They are coming out here and they are buying up a bargain. I get it that Shiba Inu coin could fall even further. I get it that people are fearful right now. But what are the whales doing? Are they running scared? Are they selling off of their Shiba Inu coin? Are they getting rid of their Bitcoin? No, absolutely not. They are buying even more. They take every opportunity that they can to buy when others are fearful, and currently others are fearful. You're seeing this. And of course, they sell when others are greedy. They do the exact opposite of what your emotions tell you to do. And the meme coin market is getting hit hard, guys. I mean, look at it. Everything is in the red. If you scroll down, everything is in the red over the last week, over the last 24 hours, and things may just be 3 assets starting to show green here. Brett starting to show green on an hourly. But over the last day and over the last 7 days, everything seems to be deep in the red, between 50% declines down here and some of the lower decliners. Godius Maximus down 1.97, 1.6%, and so on. But a very, very strong decline in the overall meme coin market. bringing the total market cap to $61 billion. $61.4 billion. 6.64% decline over the last 24 hours. And over the last 30 days, we've seen a 41% decline to this $60 billion level, from $100 billion down to $61 billion. And as a matter of fact, if you go back just a little bit further, you can see that the overall meme coin market was at $124 billion market cap, and now we are down to $61 billion. More than a 50% decline in the last couple of weeks. This is a huge hit to sentiment. But, like I say, pay attention to what the whales are doing. And guys, the whales are accumulating. The whales are not afraid. The whales do not let the emotion dictate their decisions. The whales understand that the market is cyclical, and when the fear subsides and greed returns, we will see gains. The last time it happened, guys, look at this. Bitcoin went from about $50,000 to $110,000. Bitcoin's remaining steady right now, but it's meme coins that are driving this fear. Bitcoin is simply down from 109,900, 105,000 right here, down to 94,000, right? It's not a huge decline, but look at the difference in the fear and greed index. It's not Bitcoin that's bringing in a fearful situation. It's the decline in altcoins and the decline in meme coins that's causing so much fear in retail investors. Retail investors are very emotional. And here's what happens when the emotion starts to show greed, starts to show confidence. They buy back in. They sell at the bottom, and they begin to buy at the top. It is an endless cycle of loss for meme coin and retail investors who invest based on emotion or trade based on emotion. If we can ignore that, maybe you got to follow what the whales do. Maybe you got to look at the chart, and when it's green, hey, you sell. When it's yellow or orange here, you buy. Simple as that, right? That is what we need to look at in terms of how to play this cryptocurrency market out. Because if we give up at the bottom, we miss out on the top. Now, one of the places that I'm accumulating, you guys have seen this by now, is the KSEC centralized exchange. You can, of course, buy Shiba Inu coin, but they have the best selection of meme coins that I have ever seen in the United States. And check this out. Futures fees right now, on Shiba Inu coin at least, it's a little different on Bitcoin. Futures fees on Shiba Inu coin, 0% maker, 0% taker. If you guys are out there trading Bitcoin 0% maker, you get 0.01% taker fees. And of course, you can trade on up to 100x leverage on both Shiba Inu coin, Bitcoin, and 20x leverage on a lot of the other, small meme coins that are out there. But up to 100x leverage on cryptocurrencies and meme coins. Guys, now is the time to take advantage of it. One of the meme coins that I have been buying recently, the latest one that I've bought, is Bitcoin Bull. The price is going to increase in 1 day in 18 hours. Current price is 0.238 cents. And these guys have already raised $2,712,000, rolling in on their next milestone of $3,297,000. Make sure to check out all the links in the description below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.